ABC, are you okay? Go away now. 10 days later. Bubby, MC, hey, get your butt over here. Why I need to get my butt over here? I'm gonna throw $8. Alright, let's try again.
Oh my God, that hurt.
What the heck's up with you? What's wrong with your face? I'm gonna check if we do the software right here. Bub ABC, why are you throwing that at me? Feel like it. Bub ABC, you ain't my friend anymore.
Tune in next week for our new show, Tips from Professional Softball Players. Bye!